Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of mice. Number 1. Plants. Plants like lavender, elderberry, daffodils and any type of mint plants are known to repel mice. You could plant some around your house or keep them in pots inside your home. Bay leaves and oak leaves have also been known to deter rodents. You can leave some around your home and put some in sachets and leaves them in closets and drawers. This method not only makes your look and smell nice, but it can help deter rodents. Number 2. Ammonia and vinegar spray. Another natural rat and mouse repellent is ammonia. This rodent hate the smell of ammonia because it's similar to a predator's urine. Fill a spray bottle with 1 cup ammonia and 1 cup vinegar. Then mix it. Spray it where you often see rodent activity. Alternately, you could spray or dip cotton balls with the solution and leave it in this area. They'll just need to be replaced after 2 weeks. Number 3. Essential oils. This method not only helps deter rodents but it also makes your home smell nice in the process. Essential oil that may be helpful in repelling rats and mice include peppermint oil, lemon oil, citronella oil and eucalyptus oil. You can make an essential oil spray by mixing 2 tablespoons of oil with 1 cup of water and rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Then spray it anywhere you see traces of rodents like the ammonia spray. You can also use cotton balls. If you choose the spray method, you'll want to repel in about a week, and if you use cotton balls, replace them after 2 weeks. Number 4. Rats and mouse traps. If you aren't seeing success with your natural rodent repellents, you may need to resort to mice and rats trap. There are traditional snap traps, glue trap, and the more many option catch and release traps. You'll want to first identify which type of rodent you are dealing. A mouse trap is too small for a rat. If you are dealing with a much bigger rodent infection, it may be time to call in the experts. Parker has been provide pest control service to them Portland, Seattle and Boise metro areas, and we provide pest control solution for all type of pets. Number 5. Fill in holes and use brigades. If you notice cracks or holes that a mice or rats may use to gain access into your home, fill them in with caulk. You can also fill in larger gaps with a mix of caulk and steel wool. Steel wool is a harder material to chew through for these rodents.